Oh, hi, didn't see you there. I'm Jackie Valentine and I'm an Exhibits Experience Lead with the Fleet Science Center. I'm bringing you a project from Studio X, which is our maker space there. Our project for today is rubber band guitars. Now it's a very simple project. The only materials that you... Actually, hold on, let me put the... that's better. All right, to make rubber band guitars, you only need two materials. First, you need a container that has some sort of open space inside that is nice and sturdy. Like a plastic food container or maybe like a jar. Of course, if it's a glass jar, you want to be careful. And then you need some rubber bands. That's just about it. Now this project is safe enough to do without adult supervision, but you still have to ask your parents before using their stuff. I don't want to get any angry emails from your parents telling me that you used their favorite antique family heirloom, one-of-a-kind rubber band or anything like that. Okay, so ask them first. Now all that you need to do for this project is take your container and take your rubber band, and you're going to wrap the rubber band over the open top side of your container so that it stretches all the way across and that it's free to vibrate in the middle. That's all you gotta do. Now, if your rubber band is too loose, then you need a larger container or you need a smaller rubber band. If it is too tight, you may need a smaller container or a larger rubber band. Once you stretch your rubber bands over your container, pluck the strings and you should hear a note that the rubber bands are playing. If you want to change the note, all you have to do is you just take the rubber band and you pull it around the sides nice and tight to make the note higher. And you can also pull them up around the sides and into the middle to make them looser, and that'll make the note lower. And then you can also try using different materials, different shapes. Like this is kind of rectangular shape. This one's a little bit more square. And that's all there is to it. Now, when you're doing your musical investigations, please make sure that you are posting videos and pictures of it to social media so that we can see it. You can tag us with the social media links down here at the bottom of this video. I would really love to personally see your projects working out and finding out the beautiful music that you're gonna make with your rubber band guitar. All right? Until then, I'll see you later.